Hey guys, it's Shirley. So today I'm going to solve this problem called path sum, and basically give it a root of a binary tree and integer target sum return true if the tree has a root to leaf path such that adding up all the values along the path equals target sum. So what I'm going to do is, since you want to find the paths from the root to the leaf node, you're going to go from top to bottom, and that requires the usage of DFS, or depth first search recursion. So to do this, I'm going to first define the base case, which is if not root, like if there's no root node, return false because then it won't equal the target sum. And otherwise, if there is a root node, I'm going to subtract the root value from target sum. Yeah, like this. Next, if I want to see if the path has ended in a leaf node, so if a leaf node is defined by a leaf is basically a node with no children, right? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have an if statement, if not root dot left and not root dot right. You want to check the target sum equals 0, and if it does equal 0, return true. If it doesn't equal 0, it will return false. Target sum equals 0. And now you want to call this recursive function on each left child and right child of any node, of any parent node. So I'm going to return self that has path sum root dot right target sum, or so basically if you want to use an or statement because you want to check if there's any true path. So or self that has path sum root dot left target sum. So test case is true, and this is faster than 23%. And runtime complexity is O of n. Thanks, guys.